So in your computer keyboard, this is the control key, this is the shift key, and this is the H key. So if you press this control key, shift key, and H key, these three keys at the same time. Suppose we are in Microsoft Publisher, and suppose if you are in Microsoft Publisher, and if you click like that, as if you press this control key, shift key, and H key, these three keys at the same time, so you can see that this hyphenation both have been arrived here. So I'm typing something here. For example, I type it hello, and I press this control key, shift key, and H key at the same time, and you can see that this hyphenation box already. For more, you can subscribe. Thank you.